Today I want to talk about resisting technology and proficiency. So I did not want to get a 3D printer originally because you already have to be proficient in a machining center, a turning center, surface grinder, and then I also have all kinds of other fun stuff like the shaper, right? And I'm like, man, I'm gonna have to learn something else. Well, let me tell you, don't resist it. My dad gave this to me as my birthday present early this year, and it was not something I was going to buy. Now, this will take me some time to do, and of course, this is just wood painted over. But this is what I made in a fraction of time with a 3D printer, just to organize my tool bits. So highly recommended 3D printer. I think this one was $320. It's probably less now because they're going down pretty fast. I do recommend one that changes color because this I had to change colors manually to get the extrusion a different color, so it's easy to read. I also made this really big, and I'll post this on Thingiverse. The other thing, there's tons of websites that can just give you tool organizers for your shop, and it's all free. So look it up. Highly recommended. If you have been resisting the technology like I did, well, just don't. It saves you a lot of time. It's a great addition for your machine shop. Now, I'm not necessarily recommending this one. I recommend this one is not bad either, but I recommend something that is multicolor. And do your research. Go to Thingiverse, look at all the things you want to print. Consider getting at least 2 colors that doesn't leave a whole lot of waste. And there you go. Just wanted to share that with you.